Hey guys, today we're gonna go over one of the questions that we get asked a lot, which is why is ceramic coating so expensive? And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna pass it over to Louis to go over step by step to see exactly what goes into a ceramic coating. So this is an interesting one, so keep watching.
It's 8 in the morning and I just got done rinsing the whole truck. Now we're gonna put some IronX to kind of dissolve those iron particles in the truck, and then we're gonna foam it and wash it. It's 9:20 and now we're going to inspect the paint using this flashlight. We're also going to be measuring the thickness of the paint with this paint gauge. And then we're going to protect all the moldings, all the plastic moldings with some tape. Since it's a 2026 and the paint is not bad at all, we're just gonna go with the one-step paint correction. Okay guys, it's 10 in the morning and now it's time to do the one-step paint correction. I'll be using a Rufus dual action machine with the Lake Country medium pad. This is perfect for single step paint corrections. And I'll be using CarPro's Essence and Ultra Cut. This is like a perfect balance to cut scratches from the paint and leave it with a good shine. It's now 2 p.m. and after 4 hours of paint correction and cleaning up the whole paint, the grill, every single little plastic piece, now we're ready to install the ceramic coating. We're also going to be installing the ceramic coating on the windshield and on all the wheels.
as you've seen, after 12 long hours of work, this is what we got. Essentially, what we did on this one, it's a 2026, so it didn't really need a bunch of actual correction. There's very low miles on it. We did a one-step on it. We did our 6-year coating, which is 2 layers of coating. We did the wheels, the windshield. So let's talk a little bit about the correction. So correction, you need a polisher. Yeah, you can get away with a cheap polisher, but a professional grade polisher is what's gonna give you the best results. After that, it doesn't stop there. Now we gotta do pads. What's the correct combination for a pad? And then compound. What's the right combination for compound? And then that's even before applying the coating. It is a professional grade coating. That's another one too, that you gotta be an authorized dealer to sell it. Yeah, you can get coatings on Amazon. And yeah, they're gonna work. But at the end of the day, it's not about the coating itself. It's about the preparation and the application of the actual coating. That truck stayed overnight, not only because we didn't want to deliver it, is because we wanted to have it in the shop in a controlled environment to let it dry, let it cure, and now it can pretty much go outside. It's still cold out, so we want to make sure that this coating is going to last the 6 years that we're promising. But enough saying, thank you guys for watching. If you have a new vehicle that you want protected like this, give us a call.